Udah ada tandanya nggak boleh, malah mati aja. Foto-foto ya, ada banget yang diuji. Hey kid, don't play in the middle. Gak ada spionnya, ya, maksudnya gak ada kacanya. Pakai spion cuma manipulasi, tak ketahuan polisi. Ya ampun, motor Vario aja kuat, beli spion kagak. Only Indonesia bro.
Make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you deja vu, I just been in this place. Before I had a lost these red, I'll be great one day going off of my mess. I'm not giving up, I'm giving in. I'll make it to the top, taking off and knowing I gotta make it. I'm saving every day, I'm patient, but my mind it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages, a vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Oke, paham gua, cukup. Gua tuh udah pengen cepetan ya, udahlah. My bad, I know. No excuse. Just accept that. Yeah, I do. What the f? Why you keep trying to push me? The fuck is that? That's why I don't like a bus. Hate bus. Fuck it. Lima puluh. Tuh, dan ibu-ibu deh masih digas, gak mau maju dulu. Sebenarnya dikira kita mau liatin dia yang starter apa? Pak. Yang bener tuh gini. Nah, oh ini sebel itu masih mendingan deh, maksudnya masih cepet ya. Kadang-kadang ada yang masih naruh duit ya, masih gini-gini gitu. Dikira kita mau liatin dia sampai selesai mau jalan dah. Sebel lah sama orang-orang kayak gitu. Belum doa loh tadi kita. Aku belum.